thing that I like most about orthopedics and specifically joint replacements is the opportunity to have a really tangible and meaningful impact on patients' lives. My name's Colin Penrose, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I do hip and knee replacements here at Midwest Center for Joint Replacement. I live here in Indianapolis with my wife and 2 kids. As a young child, I had a couple of small injuries and saw an orthopedic surgeon and have always been fascinated with how things work, especially the human body. I had the opportunity to go on some medical mission trips, and I went on one to the Dominican Republic. I was assisting with hip replacement surgeries, and that was a life-changing moment for me where I really knew that this is what I wanted to spend the rest of my life and my career doing. Arthritis and degenerative changes of the hip and knee can have a profound impact on someone's quality of life and their overall sense of self. My philosophy is just getting to know patients and understanding where they're coming from and what's important to them, and then being a partner and a teammate with them to help achieve their goals of improvement of their quality of life and pain relief and all the things that they used to be able to enjoy that they'd like to do again, getting back to that. The culture here at MCJR is incredible. We've got a team of people who all work together, doing everything we can to get the best possible outcome for patients. It goes from the people greeting at the front door to everyone involved with clinic and surgery, and every aspect of the team at MCJR is really focused on the patient. The opportunity to take someone who's in a really painful place and then in one day do a surgery, they can potentially go home the same day and walk without having that pain they were having before. That's such an incredible gift to be able to be a part of that process.